The things I like the most about Rome is the artistic atmosphere and the culture of the Rome.
I decided to come to Rome because it is a very cultural city. In fact, like the cultural capital in the world. There's a lot of great architecture, amazing history, and amazing design. Everywhere, wherever you look, you find really genius ways that people have designed products.
I chose to study in Rome because it's an idyllic setting, its culture, its gastronomy, and not to mention its history.
My future is traveling. My future is making someone happy, making someone feel safe in their home, feel like it's their home. Their dream has to be where they live, where they eat, where they do everything that makes them happy, makes them feel themselves. So yeah, my dream is making happy the people that I love or not. And a lot of traveling, because why not? I mean, this job should be that.